My dear students, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all here today as you're about to join one of the most illustrious institutes of our nation. This marks the beginning of a very important new phase of your life. The next 3 years are probably going to be the most defining phase of where your life will eventually go to. Those of you who will lead a very balanced, virtuous life will surely attain great heights and attain grand zenith of success. On the other hand, some of you, were you to lose the track, may find going tough and may feel it's very difficult to recover later. So since time is limited, today, from my experiences of my life, I am going to give you 3 important virtues, and I really hope that all of you will follow them in totality in each and every sphere of what you are going to do from now on. The first principle, my beloved students, is that of integrity of your commitments. As seasoned professionals, we all must make it an absolutely indispensable habit that we must value our words and honor our commitments. In simple terms, it means say what you mean and do what you say. Because this, my dear students, will ensure that you can make relationships, you can build faith and build trust with people around you. The second virtue, which is also extremely important, is that of having an ability to actually trust other people, to make sure that you are respectful towards them. Being respectful towards others ensures that you will get respect in return, because there is one dark tunnel which you must never ever go through, and that dark tunnel is that of arrogance and hubris. If you are respectful to others, my friends, it will be definitely reciprocated by others, because as the old saying goes, what goes around comes around. So in your humility, in your positivity towards others will lie the path of your success. And finally, third thing is the power of perseverance and resilience. One thing which is very constant about life is that you all will face failures at some or other junctures in all your endeavors. So what winners do different from losers is not that they don't fail, because everybody does fail sometime or the other, but that they know the art of how to bounce back. So always keep that resilient spirit inside you alive. Remain confident even in adversity. As they say, winners always keep greatest faith in the darkest of hours. So these are the 3 virtues which I wish to share with you, and I sincerely hope that you will implement all 3 of them and make sure that you emerge super successful achievers in your life. With these words, I welcome you all once again, and I hope you have a wonderful journey ahead. Thank you.